This is actually the same starters for SGA.
So, in terms of yung familiarity, no, as Henrik Charke knocks down a free for SGA. Try to drop it off. A steal here. But a counter steal para dito kay Jonas. Are, free for a free. And he knocks down that one. Tying the ball game up at 3. Are trying to turn the corner against Charke. The up fake. Nice pass inside. Jonas Tibayan gets the basket plus a foul. Torres. Kick out. Sanko fires a three and nails that one.
Continues to be hot from the out.
Bulacan Taipan, Coach Noy. I don't know if you will agree with me, but first there was a steal here by Strong Group Athletics. What a play! Ian Torres finding...
There's just his presence for Turco to give up the basketball.
Alam mo itong JT Bulacan Taipan as Ballesteros.
One of the few na bigs during that time. That was really a guard-heavy lineup.
Michael Are with another triple. 11. Just fell short of that bronze medal.
And just imagine the wealth of experience that he can share with this young...
Here in the opening frame. Ballesteros. The kick out pass. Tibayan. And he buries that three-pointer. So it's raining free.
Outside shooter, especially during his days with the Batang Gilas.
Porto, the kick out pass. Kahukom with another three-pointer for Strong Group Athletics.
For SJ to be trying to make the pace quicker.
Kenji Roman underneath.
In college.
So pwede mo rin sabihin, no, parang virtual San Sebastian versus St. Benil matchup ito.
NCAA matchup.
Jomel Ancheta,
Kakas by the Sandman, Sandy Grumo during the last broadcast.
May nalaran silang tournament sa Las Piñas noon eh. As about a 3-second differential between shot clock and game clock. Oli, this is his specialty, and he knocks it down.
More of a spot-up shooter.
Jerusalem trying to go back-to-back, and he does. Just to beat the buzzer.
JT Bulacan, 44%.
Michael Mara in traffic, gets that one to go. Moel Morales and Michael Mara. Oh, what a pass! Matt Oyoli finds Michael Mara underneath.
9 blocks per game.
Alam mo, dito sa Pilipinas, sobrang rare yung ganyang breed as Cap Cometa with a 3-point. Torres. Crossover. Locating a teammate. Morales. Stop and pop. Gets it to go. Plus a foul.
Them come the next season.
Well, that's gonna be a good problem to have if you're Coach Charles Chu. The hook is good para dito kay Jason Ballesteros to assert himself on offense.
Because he's really a mismatch with that length and height.
Morales, though, knocks down a three-pointer.
Things for Coach Charles Chu when the time comes for him to finalize the lineup.
Altamirano sneaks in for taken eh. Only 19. Very young player.
We'll confirm that, but yeah, I've heard that before.
Ian Torres floats one up and in.
Choose and share minutes between those 4 guards.
Nakapingwit pa si Joshua Kahukom. But that results into a miss. Buti na lang, nandun si Moel Morales. He turns the corner, Tibayan. He lobs it up, Ballesteros, multiple pump fakes, and the reverse.
Scorer, and so far for JT Bulacan, he is one of 2 players averaging in double digits.
Yan yung familiar play, no? Itong Are. Off the curl, ganda nung play. Tibayan freeing himself up under.
He was pretty much this tall in high school. And then when he stopped growing, as you see, Matthew Oli showing once again.
Time to withstand the SGA's intensity because they are lacking effort defensively. On the other side, Coach Paulo commended his
the biggest so far. Jesalem, 4-3, no. Ballesteros cleans up the miss for JT Bulacan.
Way to the second round, you still keep that twice to beat advantage.
Roman finally able to bury a free after multiple attempts. Finds himself open. Forward pass by Altamirano. Streaking in is Paeng Are. Last shot time for SGA. Torres goes to Matty Oli for Frey. Book it.
That's going to be big.
On the verge of a comeback by JT Bulacan Taipad. Paeng Are. Oh, yes! Wow! That... Kasi akala ko nagdalawang isip siya kung tutulungan niya eh. Desoyo though drills in a three! And the lead goes back to JT Bulacan. Fourth. Turco. They swing the ball around. Sanko, his offhand. And that one-hander works. Has been complaining the last few sequences not going to their favor as Cap Cometa with a pull-up. And the hand off to Desoyo. Itchy with only 7 to work with. Lays it up and in, plus a foul.
Itchy Altamirano this time, main scorer, and this time really attacking the defense of Mark Sanko, able to finish.
Unable to secure the rebound. Still enough time here. Altamirano sidestep, gets the friendly bounce. Oli. Bigay kay Mark Sanko, 8 seconds on the shot clock. Fakes the handoff, he drives. That one-hander has been a thing. Are to trigger. Roman receives the pass, back to Michael Are. Quick pull-up, too strong, and that should do it.